Hello and welcome to this video about OpenAI CHAT G.P.T, which is a large language model that has been trained to understand and generate natural language text. In this video, we will explore what CHAT G.P.T is, how it works, and some of its potential applications. CHAT G.P.T is a machine learning model that has been trained on a large corpus of text data. It uses a deep learning algorithm known as a transformer to analyze and understand natural language text. This means that CHAT G.P.T can read and interpret human language, and generate responses that are indistinguishable from those of a human. CHAT G.P.T works by using a process known as unsupervised learning. This means that it learns from a large dataset of text without any explicit guidance or supervision from humans. It then uses this knowledge to generate responses that are appropriate to the input it receives. For example, if you ask CHAT G.P.T a question about a particular topic, it will use its understanding of that topic to generate a response that is relevant and accurate. If you engage in a conversation with CHAT G.P.T, it will continue to generate responses that are appropriate to the context of the conversation. There are many potential applications for CHAT G.P.T. One of the most obvious is in the field of customer service. Many companies are already using chatbots to provide customer service, but CHAT G.P.T could take this to the next level by providing more personalized and human-like responses. Another potential application is in the field of language translation. CHAT G.P.T could be used to translate text from one language to another, providing more accurate and natural-sounding translations than existing translation software. Finally, CHAT G.P.T could be used in educational settings. It could be used to help students learn languages or to provide personalized feedback on written assignments. As an AI language model, the future of CHAT G.P.T is likely to involve continued development and improvement in several key areas, including 1. Advanced Natural Language Processing (NLP), as NLP technology continues to advance, CHAT G.P.T is likely to become even more sophisticated in its ability to understand and respond to human language. 2. Greater personalization. CHAT G.P.T may become even more personalized in the future, using data about users' past interactions to better understand their preferences and tailor responses accordingly. 3. Increased accessibility. As AI technology becomes more widely available, CHAT G.P.T may become more accessible to people with different abilities and needs, such as those who are visually impaired or have difficulty using traditional input methods. 4. Integration with other technologies. CHAT G.P.T may be integrated with other technologies, such as virtual assistants, to provide a seamless and personalized experience for users. 5. Ethical considerations. As with all AI technology, there will be ongoing discussions and debates around the ethical implications of CHAT G.P.T's development and use, including issues related to privacy, bias, and fairness. In conclusion, OpenAI CHAT G.P.T is a powerful language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Its ability to understand and generate natural language text makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from customer service to language translation to education. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see CHAT G.P.T become an even more important part of our lives. Thank you for watching this video.